Automatic liquid soap dispensers provide the convenience of giving you soap without even touching it. The flexible stainless steel long-lasting automatic soap dispensers contain at least 100 pumps. They also come with adjustable settings such as sensor sensitivity and volume control, which suit your needs. These types of soap dispensers may also have a LED light that communicates individual client settings by displaying a color for set washes. There are many products available to choose automatic soap dispensers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best automatic soap dispensers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Automatic soap dispenser. We like that there is a choice for those who desire more or less foam from their soap dispensers, which adds variety to the grooming regimen. The installation of this type of waterproof sensor unit is straightforward. It only requires battery cover removal to load batteries before the first activation, or if new ones are needed, which can happen on occasion if disposal habits involve liquids. This product has a good motion sensor, and the buttons on the bottom of the unit are instantly activated when touched. This means you don't need to press a button for it to start working. When it turns off or is inactive for too long, wave your hand 23 from the device to activate it again if needed. The touchless foaming soap dispenser with high foam and low foam modes better meets your requirement. Finally, the best part which I liked is you don't need to touch soap or press soap pump, get rich foam by a wave easily. Touchless soap dispenser is a great choice when your hands get dirty in kitchen, bathroom or hospital. Number 2. Hand sanitizer dispenser. This kitchen soap dispenser can be refilled with any hand sanitizer, shampoo, dishwashing detergent or other high-density liquid soap. No need to dilute with water. There are 4 levels of soap volume. Press on or off button to increase or decrease the amount of soap you and your family need and stop wasting soap. With built-in infrared motion and precise sensor detection technology, this automatic soap dispenser can detect your hand instantly. Positive side of this product: hands-free operation drops waste while always remaining clean. Creates an experience that leaves you feeling refreshed every time. Grip attach for ease of carrying. Sturdy design, silicone valve. Large capacity, easy to refill. Soap saves money. Sensors can sense motion and dispenses soap quickly. Works hands-free, no mess. 4 levels of soap volume. High-efficient motor and gear pump structure makes this touchless soap dispenser last longer than other brands. This automatic soap dispenser comes with a battery compartment lock design and IPX6 waterproof material. Number 3. Hanamichi soap dispenser. Hanamichi automatic soap dispenser uses the latest design freestanding adjustable button with built-in precise infrared motion and per-sensor detection technology. The upgraded sensor prolongs its working life and is sensitive more, so you can quickly get the hands-free soap dispenser. The soap dispenser capacity is 400 ml. Variable dispense controls soap volume by adjust. Switch to control the liquid volume from 0.5 to 3 ml. No dripping or trailing, no waste soap. Compatible with most kinds of liquid. This 3-in-1 automatic liquid soap dispensing product does not drip or leave a mess since it uses state-of-the-art infrared technology and per-sensors to deliver controlled amounts of liquid soap. The tank is also easy to fill and leak-proof with large drain holes containing overflows for safety reasons. The ABS polycarbonate white plastic design not only looks sleek, but completes this amazing package. The CR020 comes with an adjustable control knob, where you can adjust how much liquid spurts out. There are no leaking parts, because the base is waterproof, plus the CR020 has silicone seals on both sides of the bottom plexiglass panel. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.